Okay, good day everyone. Today I would like to share about DS-QAE1A80G1-VB. This is a 80 watt 2-zone network amplifier. So today I want to talk about their features first. Okay, 80 watt rated. So this is using analog speaker. Okay, so they come with one you have to buy the ceiling speaker, and also this is a network amplifier by using 2-core wire. Okay. So and also he can support the USB, Bluetooth, and microphone and RCA, and able to have 2-zone volume, and also they have a schedule, live, emergency broadcast, alarm linkage, and DTS. So today I want to share about some of these features. Okay, so that's all for the introduction. So now I want to do this you plug to the network already. This you plug into your network already. Then you can using SATP to search it out. So you can click on it. You can activate through over here. So this is up to you, the password. Okay, so we activate over here already. So we leave it DCP and activate again. Modify the network. So once it's done ready, click the refresh. You just double click the IP, you will pop up the login page. So over the login page, just put in your ID and password. Okay, so this is how the configuration inside looks like. So now I want to enable the Hik-Connect. So now we configure the Hik-Connect. So firstly, we go into the configure, then we go into the networks. So network, they have a platform access. Okay, on this platform access, you just enable it and put your desired verification code. Okay, so you can click save. So you can click the refresh button to double check. Okay, so they mentioned that no cloud account is bound. That means this device is not registered to any device. So now we're going to the Hik-Connect apps. Okay, so we return on this mobile view. So going to click the Hik-Connect. Make sure you already have an account, so something like me. If you don't have, you can register one. So going to the home here. So you can click add the device. Scan the QR code. So over the scan QR code over here, you can click the barcode, because the behind here only have barcode. Okay, so you can click the barcode, scan. Okay, they ask you for the verification code. So you just go into key your verification code. So it's done, you just click next. Then this you can skip for the service. So this is how we add into the mobile phone on the Hik-Connect app. So this is a network amplifier inside the Hik-Connect. So over here, I would like to discover some features. The first features I want to share is about broadcast amplifier direct talk. So you can click over the broadcast over here. You can select all the channel. You can click speak. Hello. So this is a repeating sound by using here. Inside they have a setting also. We go to settings. So setting here they have a authorized service, camera management, audio file. So the audio file is looking over here. You can see they have a siren. This is using for especially for the linkage. Okay, so we don't use this because this we have to link to the MVR. Okay, and we have an audio and also we have a schedule broadcast, but this is from another video. Okay, so I will do the schedule broadcast video soon. Okay, thank you.